welcome back. This is part 2. So I'm going to continue to walk around the Run to the Sun 35th annual car show. Like I said, this is I had to do this thing in 2 parts because there's so many cars here, and I love to cover all the cars, not just some of them. So grab a chair, this day the Lord has made, sit back and enjoy. This is the first car we come up to on part 2. And I like this. This is a Duster 340 4-barrel. This is a pretty car right here. Automatic. I like the rally rims on it too. The 68 Chevrolet. This thing right here. Oh, this thing is so pretty. I like the rims on it. The big rally rims. And it's kind of I'm kind of confused. I think this is a regular. Might be a striker kit on top of there. Super Sport El Camino with a 454 in it. Turbojet, 360 horsepower. These motors right here is what they used to put in dump trucks. They used to put these motors in dump trucks, the 454s. And they put them in some, some cars for more power. This is a Galaxie 500 with a 390. That's a big Ford motor. That's a real big. That sounds like a 454 and a Chevrolet. This is 63. And look at this thing. This thing is, I mean, it is. Look at the interior. This is all original. It's a panel wagon. It's a GMC 1500 V8. It's actually got it spelled out. Huge rims on it. It's got a 350 in it. It's got it on the valve covers. It's a 1970. All original. This is what your SUVs used to be. And then I keep saying this one hurts right here. Because this is 67. This is a 67. It's got a 350 in it. This thing looks extremely good. Oh my goodness. I need to do something. I need to do something with my truck. Look at this Corvette. Corvette used to come with a 283 in it. I wonder if that's a 283 that's in it. It's a 5-space. Somebody's over there rearing their motor up. You go, buddy. of these 80 model square bodies. And those usually came with a V8, with a 350. Like the rally rims on it, big rally rims. I like the interior is all original. It's a Super Sport. And this is a 1962 Studebaker. It does not look like a Studebaker. It's got a 302 Boss in it. That's a huge motor in that car. I'll walk around here, look at the interior. And it's got a 5-speed. It's got a 5-speed manual in it. Here's a 68 Chevrolet. It's got a possibly a 350. That might be a 283. That kind of looks like what my motor is. Yeah, that's 283. 67 from York, South Carolina. Oh, that's what I want. Oh, that's a 5-speed. The interior looks just like mine. Not the seats, but the color and everything. And this is a Challenger RT shaker. It's got a shaker motor in it. It's a 510 stroker. It's got, let's try to see how much horsepower it has. I don't see that. It's a beautiful car. 444 Magnum, 440 Magnum. That's what it's talking about. It said shaker back there. It's a 5-speed. This is manual. Look at this 66 Chevrolet. Oh, that's a beautiful motor in that truck right there. I like the rally rims on it. And it's got, oh, I like the leather seats. Beautiful truck. Look at this. Let's see, another 66 with a, it's got a 5.3 swap in it. It's a little bit lower. I like the rally rims on it though. Yeah, it's a 66. There's one beside of it. Man, that's beautiful right there. It's a 67. Oh, I like the rally rims. I love these types of rims for this type of truck. This has got a big motor, a bigger, I think this is like a 350 in it. This one's got air conditioning. I'm sorry, it's a 68. It don't have the marker on it on the outside though. old 57 Nomad. I know where one's at. It's a 4-door though. Although this is automatic. But I know where one's at in the garage. It's a beautiful car right here. Look at the paint job on this car right here. I mean, look at this. That's detailed work right there. Oh, look at this seats. Oh my goodness. Hey, listen, look at this thing. And this is the 1978 Indy Pace car for NASCAR. This is beautiful, right? It's automatic. Oh, it's got 8-track in it. It's got the old 8-track. It's got it on the side right here, official pace car. This old black Ford truck. Like I said, I'm not a fan of Ford, but I do like these old Ford trucks. I think they look good. It's got the original rims on it too. It's a 70. Original, everything inside is original. I'll tell you this, I like this old car. It's pretty cool right there. It's old Ford. No, this is Chevrolet. This is a Chevrolet. This is a 1938 Chevrolet 4-door. And it's a automatic. I love the color. I love the contrast, the colors in it. Not like these old CJ5s. It's got a 327 Chevrolet V8 in it for a 3-speed. Look, it says on the plaque right there. This thing is nice. This is what you call a real mud buggy right here. Oh yeah, this is a type that you got to get out and lock the hubs. Here's another one of these Trans Am with a 6.6 in it. That's a big motor. That's a big block. That's a huge motor in that car. They kept this car really clean. It's got T-tops in it too. I like this old 70. Let's see, I think this is a 72. It's got the 350 in it. Yes, 72. Oh, look at that. Look at that interior in this thing. Flawless interior. This thing is beautiful. Look at the bed. It's even got the rally rims on it. Look at this 66. It's a 66 Chevrolet C10 with a 350 with 4-wheel drive. This is nice right here. Look at the interior. It's got a 4-wheel drive in the floor. And look at the bed. Man, look at that bed. It's a wooden bed, which I love. The only thing about my truck don't have the gas tank up here behind the seat. I'm going to move it underneath the truck. Look Look at this right here. I think this is funny. When they got this fixed, it's on the front of a Ford truck. Their last ride of eternity. Excuse me. Sale, 1954 panel wagon. I want $40,000 for it. It could be yours if you had $40,000. Beautiful interior. Like the rally rims on it. Southern Hauler. Right here, I think this is really nice. These old Chevrolet vans. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this thing got a bed in it. Oh my goodness. I love getting me one of these doing YouTube. Look what they got right here. A Formula Pontiac Firebird. It's got 5.7 in it. I like these cars. And it's a T-top, but these are automatic. You rarely find these Firebirds, Trans Ams, ever manual. This type. This right here is so gorgeous. I'm in love. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. This right here. I'm in love with this truck. Oh my goodness. This thing is so beautiful. It looks just like us, it's 68. 68 because of the marker. Look. Yep, 68. That's what your Ford Broncos used to look like back in the day. You know, they came out today with the Ford Bronco. It's got a 302 in it. It's got a big motor in it. It's got a V8 in it. And this is another one you got a lot of hubs in. This is a nice old Chevrolet Impala. It's like a 59. That's a Biscayne. Oh, look at the interior. Like the rims on it. Now, that's what I'm talking about right here. This is what I do with YouTube. I would love to come get me one of these right here. A Volkswagen bus. Take all the seats side up, put me a bed back there. Tell you this right now, this 66 Chevrolet is clean. Oh my goodness. This is really, looks really good. Yep, 66 C10 with a wooden bed in it. And the interior looks perfect in it. This old fire truck right here. That's pretty cool right there. That's really cool. Look at this camper right here. The interior in this thing looks really good. But this is a camper. Don't have no bathroom in it. I don't see no bathroom. Oh, maybe. There's a door back there. There's another VW bus. I like these. This one has actually got a table in it. This one's actually got a table and I thought I had a couch back there. I love the color though. I love the color of this one. These are not factory rims. Here's another nice square body with the 4-wheel drive, locking hubs on it. This one is manual. This one is manual. I know you probably can't see inside of it. You see my camera, but I like this one. Oh, he's getting on over there. Here's another pretty cool VW bus. This thing's got a lot of room in it. Yeah, these things are straight drive. I didn't know that. I thought these things were automatic. That one's got the surfboard up top. I like how the windows open up like that. Good looking old Cutlass Supreme. That's a 70-something model. And it's all original too. It's got the rally wheels on it. Yeah, it's automatic. Must be gonna rain, everybody leaving.
Well, I don't think it's ever rained.
Where do you want to go? This truck right here looks just like my cousin's. He's got a 66. A blue one just like this. This is in Taylor, North Carolina. He's got a big motor and it's got air conditioning in it. You can see the air conditioning pump. all this chrome. That's beautiful right here. I got to tell you this, I love this right here. There's another IROC Z. Got somebody here waving at me. But I love this car right here. It's a 85. And it's for sale too. 25K. And that's all the specs on it. I can't really, they got it a little bit too small. It's got a twin Z, it's got a 383 in it, crate engine. One of these cars right here makes me want to watch Up in Smoke, Cheech and Chong. That's what they drove. They drove in a Power. And they got this one for sale, 28K. I'm going to show a little bit of cars I didn't show a while ago because it's starting to rain and everybody, there's some of them leaving. This is old GMC panel wagon, 2-door. With a Vortex engine in it. It's a 66. Look at this. Look at us pulling out. I think that's really sharp. That thing sounds good too. Right here, this is a 72 fastback or fleet side. I love this truck right here. Look at the interior. I'm just going back through and showing some of the trucks I didn't show. Because, like I said, they're leaving. I done went through some of the vendors. Most of the vendors done put their stuff up because it's starting to rain a little bit. There's another, that's a Firebird coming in. That's really sharp right there. Everybody's leaving because it's starting, like I said, it's starting to rain a little bit. And so everybody's packing up for tomorrow. They're going to be out here tomorrow too. Look at this 55 Bel Air. Oh, that's so pretty. That's red, white with a red interior. It's automatic, the column. And this is a pretty cool Nova, Rally Nova. This is a 72 Nova. It's a beautiful car. It's a Ford Fairlane, a 1956 Ford Fairlane. That's a beautiful car right here. Look at this old Chevrolet. It's a 69. It's a 69 Chevrolet. Half of it's white, half of it's black. I think that's really cool. I mean, it probably hasn't worked on it that much. They want $22,000 for it. It's got automatic transmission, 350 engine. Here's another 56 Fairlane black Ford Fairlane. Now, like I said before, I'm not a fan of Fords. I don't like the Ford car today, but old cars and old trucks, I do like them. This old Ford Fairlane van, old Ford Econoline 150. It's got a bed in the back of it. Oh, it's got hardwood floors in it. Walking up on this Mach 1 Mustang. Now, I do like these. These were really fast back in the day. These were really good drag cars. Hey, that's really beautiful. Look at this old Dodge Dart 2. This thing right 3. It's a Dodge Dart 3. This thing right here looks really good. This old 67 Chevrolet, or no, I'm sorry, it's a 68. 68 with the from Kentucky. Oh, look at it's automatic. I can't tell. I really can't tell. Oh, it's got a NOS on it. I didn't notice that. It's got NOS in the back of it. Okay, I don't know what in the world this thing is. I don't have a clue. Oh, Angelica. This is a 1959 English Ford Angelica. This is weird. Like it's a drag car. Look on the back of this truck with the eagle, and that's really beautiful. The way they did the artwork with the trees in the background and the sunshine, that's really beautiful. Not only do you come to the car show for the cars, you also got vendors out here that has pretty cool looking stuff. Look at the Sinclair dinosaur, which is really cool. They got all kind of Betty Boop, Mario. This vendor right here, you get more like car parts. You come get Holly. You get your like I said, you get transfer cases and your intakes. And they have women's jewelry out here at the car show. They have vendors out here that sells women's jewelry, bracelets, earrings, all kind of scarves. It's more like your food truck. So here you get lemonade and popcorn and orange juice in this one. And this is a pretty cool vendor right here. They got all kind of electronic stuff in here. Bluetooth speakers, charging cables, everything for your phones, to charge your phones. And this one right here has got all kind of license plates. And to be honest with you, I've seen most of these. I've seen Texas. I've seen Mississippi. Been to Mississippi. Been to Georgia a lot. Been to Louisiana. I've seen Wisconsin. That's pretty cool stuff in here. They would have trucks out here, little toys for sale. I think that's pretty cool right there. They got kind of toys. Oh, they got Minnie and Mickey in a right here. Oh, they got all kind of toys out here. I had to walk through and look at them before he puts them all up. All kind of die-cast cars. NASCAR. All kind of old trucks. They would have all kind of rims too. They sell rims and tires out here too. This is all your rim for your classic cars. They got all kinds of rims out here. Really cool stuff. This is one I like. Got a lot of Hot Wheels, original Hot Wheels over here. This is another vendor. They got all kind of cars and die-cast cars. And this one right here is one I am a sucker for. All these signs. All these Chevrolet, Ford, any kind of signs like this. I am a sucker for this stuff. Even Walt Disney has a sign. A knockout for winter. They got the Alan Kulwicki. Oh my goodness. And the Dale Jr. They got the Dale Jr. right here. I remember this car right here. I remember when he wrecked it that night at Winston. Look at these old vintage cars. An old Ford truck. That's really cool. Oh, they got the pink Cadillac. I like that. Look at these right here. They got drag cars. I didn't know they made these in that scale. Okay, that's what I like right here. This big truck. Big tractor trailer for $60. All kind of Hot Wheels over here. Here you see the Dale Earnhardt. The Goodrich Luma. That's when they first come out with those cars.
I won't even sell you nothing over here. What?
It's pretty cool stuff in here. Snap-on tools. There's some more vendors with all car parts and all that. For your classic cars, they got steering wheels and electric windshields, radiators, which is really cool. And this is J-Wax Car Care. They got all different types of waxes, polishes for your car, your tires and rims. Pretty cool stuff on this table. And this is a Hot Wheels tent. I'll walk in here and see what they got. They got all kind of NASCAR. Oh, I like this. I like this, an excavator. They got the Power Rangers car. That's really cool. You got all these over here, Coke and Diet Coke and all different types of Hot Wheels. I was gonna say this. I like this car right here. I like this with the Plus Dale Earnhardt. I remember that one, the Tasmanian Devil.
You still plugged in, the light still flickering.
Oh, they've got
Yeah, we were at
some
2 gas stations last night.
vintage. The white car, the Coca-Cola. They got all these over here. I think these is just like miscellaneous Hot Wheels. I like to go to their store. I got to say this place right here is pretty cool. We got corn, roasted corn, big ears of corn. It's really good. I tasted some of my brother and sister-in-law's last year, and they got that's their flag right here. I know this don't have anything to do with the car show, but listen how that thing, you can barely hear it running. I hope you've enjoyed it. That's it for this one. We walked around the 35th annual Run to the Sun car show. If you know anywhere else that I can go to a car show, it is that big, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It you'll be able to notify you when I upload videos just like this one. And if you want to support the channel, I'll leave my Cash App and PayPal in the description of this my channel. So, with all that said, be safe, God bless, we'll catch you on the next one. And remember to let go and let God. Bye now.